Ready to simplify social sharing? With SchedulePress's custom social templates, you get a central pop-up listing all connected platforms, and one click to share across everywhere. Let's see how you can set it up. Before getting started, make sure you have installed and activated SchedulePress on your WordPress site. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to SchedulePress settings and go to the Social Templates tab. Here, you will find social templates and options to configure default messages for each platform. These templates will be used whenever you share posts using SchedulePress options from the editor. Open the post in the editor where you want to enable custom social templates. Scroll down to SchedulePress options in the post settings to choose between default templates and custom templates. Your post's featured image will be used automatically for the social banner, where you can upload a custom banner by tapping the Custom Social Banner button. Now, enable the custom social template from the SchedulePress options. This will disable the default templates option. Click Add Social Message to open the template board, where you can add platform-specific messages and see a live preview of how they'll appear. Select the platforms you want to share on. Also, from the drop-down menu of each platform, select the connected profile or page you want to post. In the Post field, remove or edit default content, title, tags, or rules as needed, then provide your own message. You can see the changes in the preview on the right. You have the option to use a single message as a global template, which will be applied to all platforms and cannot be edited on an individual basis. Set your post's sharing date and time using the available schedule options, then click Save. You're all done. Now, click on the Publish button. Your post will be shared on the assigned platforms automatically with the custom message. Found this video helpful? Like, share, comment and subscribe for more.